Welcome to Residence Inn by Marriott in Goleta, California. We are going to do a room tour so you can check it out and make an informed decision before going to Santa Barbara or Goleta, California. But first, let me give you a glimpse of the outside vicinities and amenities. Check it out! So the room that we got is a 2-bedroom suite. It should fit about 10 to 12 people. Let's go check it out. This right here is the kitchen area. Pretty nice, right? Moving over to the master bedroom and the master bathroom. It's quite spacious. TV right here. The living room has a TV and a sofa. That turns into a sofa bed, by the way. It's a full size so it can fit 2 people. Still great for sleeping. This right here is the guest bathroom. And lastly, on the other room, here's 2 full-size beds that can fit 2 people on each bed. Pretty nice, huh? Now let's do that again one more time and do a quick recap of the room. Here we go. I certainly hope you liked the room tour. Make sure you check out the next video for a quick mini tour of Santa Barbara, California. Please do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for good luck.